Alright guys, here we go. It's all finished now. I put the tank in. There's the tank. I cleaned it up nicely with warm water and stuff. So it's back together. Missing the engine. So I need the engine for it. And a new receiver and a controller. So there's three things missing. I don't know if I can fix this guy here or not. So I'm gonna try and take it apart and fix it. You can see the condition it is in. It's dirty and all of that. I don't know if I can get it back to run, but I'm gonna try. I work on helicopter nitro engine. Probably this is no difference from those. This is the gear right here. You can see that's the gear, and there still got the servos on Duratrax. And this is the SX100, and for the steering I got the XX200 heavy duty. The throttle is on here. Let's see if I can see the throttle servo. Yes, it's a SX100 for the throttle servo, and I think this is for this one here is for the throttle up here, and the other one is for the gear, to shift the gear in reverse and forward. So the bottom one is for the gear to shift reverse and forward. So I'm gonna check it out and see if all this well. All is well with it. So guys, just please leave me suggestion on the engine. The servos they work, so I'm gonna try it first with the servo, but the receiver and the controller I need a new one. So if you can give me your opinion on what I should get, I will honestly appreciate it. Thanks guys for watching. Catch you in the next video.